Number 10 and Baldonado Campo. Okay. Nicolo. Shot, no good. Rebound by Brian. The finisher to the Mighty Mouse. Oh, naka 7 points na po to. Si the Mighty Mouse. Baldonado to Albonero. Kyle. To Russia. Oh, foul. Mr. Philip Duran. That's your first foul and first team foul. Yeah. Okay, Valdemoro. Pasabit to si Mr. Pau. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. To number 1. To Austin for 3. Whoa! 10 points si Austin, the Mighty Mouse. Side ball. Now, Nicolas to number 24. Kyle Albonero, left-handed layup, no good, rebound by Russia. Nicolo, pull up, no good, rebound by Kyle. Oh, to Nicolas. Foul to Leon, no good. Rebound by the captain, John Mendina to number 10. Philip. To John, hook shot, no good. Rebound by Tom. Foul. Foul number 33-0, John Mendina.
Hindi, gusto ko ninyo yung bahay nila Jason. Meron ha, nila Jason sa kanila kaya. Okay ba?
Baltimore to Mr. Puedica, Nicolo. Nice move by the Dominator. De Leon.
Magkano binigay ni Jason?
40.
40? Si Ryan, magkano?
Number 30 to number 11 to number 1. Pull up number 1, a good rebound by number 7. 2 points. Marco Polo. It's 12-2 in favor of Swish City. Valdemoro. Look, it's still completed. To Philip Duran, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Valdemoro. Nagmamadali. Oh, no good. No rebound. Now, ito na. Nagmamadali na si John. John to the finisher. 2 points. Brian. Mendina. Nicolas. Oh, nice. Behind the back. To Nicolo for 3. Nicolo. Russia.
Let me give you the...
Huh?
Yung naka-great. Pau de Leon, Pau. Time out, blue. Nawala yung bola ko. Dito! Di ba? Dito ako dito eh.
Salita.
Ano nga panda? Ha? Yup. High shot.
All right. The score is 16-7 in favor of Wish. Number 30, John. Whoa! Ang ganda ng siksikan sa grab sa call out. Number 13, Nicole in. Okay, number 7, to the Punisher, Brian. To Austin. Number 10, the Punisher. To John. Austin. Okay. To the Punisher for 2. Long. Rebound by Nicola Rustia. To Nicole. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 7, Marco Polo. Lampara. Foul. Substitution. Samudio in. Number 30. Yeah, foul si Nicolo. Rustia. Brian to Austin. Austin, the Mighty Mouse. To Samudio. Almost steal. Nice move by Austin for 2. The score is 18-7. Now Nicolas. What? Foul. Foul number 1. Bondina. Brian. Okay, 2 free throws. No good. Sabrep. Number 2, Benitez in. Ipaw?
Wala pa.
Meron, isa. Second one is good.
7 minutes na nakalipas.
Dito, paano mo nilagay?
Very good. Very good.
Hindi, dalawa na pa nila.
Okay. Offensive. Illegal.
Number 10, offense.
Yeah. You're moving.
Next one. Good one.
Illegal screen.
Get that.
Steal by the Mighty Mouse.
Hey, open mouth.
The Mighty Mouse. To Philip Duran. Austin.
Hey, Mike, get out the team, Mike.
To number 7. To Marco. Okay. Good tap. Almost steal. Same ball. Okay, Mr. Benitez, Jeffrey Benitez. Now, Philip Duran to Austin, guarded by Mr. Nicole.
Hey, get out the team, yo.
Oh, turnover. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Number 3, the foul, the dominator, pasabit, almost foul, number 3, Zamudio. After reverse. Ngayon na? Sige, pasok na. Okay, substitution. Nicolas out. Mr. Altamirano in. Second free throw by Mr. 9, the Dominator, is good. It's 18-9. Benitez, steal. Pass, assist by Nicole to Nicolo for 2. 31 seconds remaining. Three-point shot by Marco. Wow. Now Nicole. Naghintay po ng last shot. The score is 18-11. We'll see what happens.
Let him shoot.
Nabitawan.
All the way.
Austin! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Number 24 to Nicole. To Altamirano for 3. Short. Rebound by Baltimore. Power move. And one. Nick Baltimore. Yeah. Who's the foul? Number 3. Zamudio. Foul. One free throw is no good. Rebound by number 2. To number 4. Steal by Kyle Carbonero. Lumingon pa sa likod. Oh! Now number 3. Kelsey. To number 2.
Marco, get out there, Marco.
Kelsey. Nice move. Kelsey. Oh, pinasa. Steal by Nicole. All the way. 2 points. Nicole Bautista. Now Kelsey to Zamudio. One steal again. 2 points by Nicole. Timeout. Swish City.
Dapat na tayo
Go, Black.
Ampar volleyball at saka ampar din ka kamera. Mas maganda nga yun. Ang pinagay na, hindi na ako doon. Doon ako kasi doon ako magandang kamera. Oo. At kasi, alam mo yan,
Nice, Nick.
foul number 7, Marco Lamparas. Sub after. And one ba yun? Yep. Oh, sub rep.
Hey, Phil.
Bonus free throw. No good. Rebound by the Dominator to Bautista. To Baltimore for 3. Long rebound by 30. Number 30, the captain. Oh, block by Nicole. Pass break to the Dominator. Oh, and one by the Dominator. Napako na po sa 18 ng Swish City. 21-18. Bonus free throw. Sub rep. Rustia in. Baltimore out. Bonus free throw by number 9. Pau. The Dominator. Is no good. Rebound by number 1. Brian. Mondina. To crossover. To number 2. Benitez. To number 30. To Brian. 2-point shot. Short. Rebound by Kyle. Oh, ang ganda ng pasahan. Nick to Nick. Nick to Nick. Nicolo Tulicoy. Number 30 to number 4 to Marco. Power move! Rebound by Altamirano. To number 54, Nicolo. To Altamirano. 3-point shot by Altamirano. Short. Rebound by Pau. Follow up. 2 points by Pau De Leon. It's 25-18. 7-point lead by Puede. Nice rebound. Another rebound. Oh! Steal. Nice pass, Mr. Punisher to Jeffrey Benitez. Up, stepping, turnover, sub. Substitution, sub. Okay. Lamparas to Philip to Austin to Kelsey for 3. Whoa! 3 points by Chris Kelsey. 23-25. 2-point lead now by Wedika.
Hey, watch that drive!
Nicolo to Nicole for 3. Rebound by Marco to Austin. Austin to Philip for 3. Long rebound by Kelsey to the Punisher to the Kelsey. That's Punisher to Austin for 3. No, the rebound by Marco. 2 points. Marco Lamparas. It's all 25.
Hey, watch shooter!
Nicolo to Nicolo. Pull up. Oh, 2 points. Fade away shot by Nicolo. Rustia.
Right side! All you! Skip!
Austin to Marco. Power move by Marco. 2 points. Lamparas.
Pick up!
Oh, 3-point shot by Nicolas. 30-27.
Keep swinging! Rebound!
Rebound by Marco. 2 points again by Marco.
Ilan pa time na?
Time out. Pwede ka. Okay. Nicolo for 3. Oh, Nick to Nick. Number 1 to Marco. Number 1. Bandina to Chris Kelsey for 3. Another rebound by Pau. Oh, outside. Turnover. Oh, nice side step move by number 1. Number 20 to Pau. Rebound by Nico. Power rebound naman nun. Oh, Pau. Power. 2 free throws. First one is good. 34-31. We'll see the second one by Nicole. Short. Rebound by Marco. Marco Lamparas. So, behind the back. to physicality, to the Punisher. Oh, 2-point by the Mighty Mouse. Oh, another rebound by number 1. Nice move by number 1, the Punisher, 2-point. His score is 35-34 in favor of Swish City. Now the Dominator to Nicole, to the Dominator, guarded by Marco, to Nicole, boarding, no good, rebound by Kyle Bornero, 2 points, 36-35, 35 in favor of Puertica. Now please Kelsey, nice pass to Marco, 2 points. In favor now, again.
Let's go.
Nice crossover. Oh, steal! Oh! Number 30. Number 2, 2 points, 2 for 2. Yeah. 36-39, 3-point lead by Swiss City. Russia to Tao. Nice move! No, the rebound by number 30. Crossover. Tossing for 3. Lang. Kunti lang. Nabuhok. Russia to Altamirano. Back to Russia for 3. Oh! That's your third win, Mr. Nicolo. Russia. All 39. Benitez. Top steal. Now Nicole. Oh! Iniwag ilagan. 2 points by Nicole. It's 41-39, 2-point lead by Puertica. Crossover by number 11, Austin. Oh, steal again! Nicole, 2 points again by Nicole. Time out. Swish City.
Hey, oh, Tino.
3, Austin Morales. 49-48 now. Nice pass. Whoop, nagpasabi. 2 points by Pau. Austin. To John. Now Nicolo, rebound by Nicole. Oh, no good. Defensive rebound. 2 points by Nicole.
Another one.
Alright, 49-52. The Punisher. The Austin for 2. Short. Rebound by Baltimore. Side. Ah. rebound by Kyle. To Nicolas. Nice pass. Ang ganda ng bigayan doon, no? 2 points by Kyle Caldonero.
Hey, pal, good shit, pal.
Yeah.
Sana ganun yung ice mamaya.
Bigyan ko kayo dalawang.
Number 1.
Talaga ng baso.
Oh, nice crossover. Up. Block. 2 points by Brian, the Punisher, Mandina. It's 51-54 in favor of Poetica. Nicole to Ancheta.
No foul!
Up. Sub ref sub. Sub ref sub. Austin out. And Jeffrey Benitez out. Chelsea and Marco. 3-point shot by Nicole. Whoa! Nothing but net. 57-51. Poetica. Steal by John. Nice pass. Oh, foul. Foul.
Hey, good foul, pal.
2 free throws by Brian. First one is good. 57-52. Let's see the second one. Is double rebound by Powell rebound. Pass to Nicole. Nice pass to block by Marco. Mandina for 2. Double rebound by Philip to Kelsey. Nice pass to Philip. Oh, no good. Rebound by Kelsey. Nice pass to Philip. No good. Rebound by Ancheta. Steal by Kelsey. It's traveling. Okay, last shot down. Caldonero to Nicole. 3-point shot by Nicole. No good. The end of the third quarter, the score is 57-52 in favor of Poetica.
Hey, Nick, you know what I got to do?
Double rebound.
Come on, Nico. Only 5 points. 2 ball. Stop. Stay there. Trying to give that. Sub.
Sub left sub. Chelsea. Number 30. Oh, nice crossover. Shot 2 points by Captain John Mondina.
Stop.
57-54. Nicolo. Rustia. Okay, ISO. Nicole. Oh, steal. Oh! Follow! Oh! Foul, Galeon, 2 points. By foul. It's 50. Nice pass! Eye in the sky. Play by John to Marco. Number 13 to Nicolo. 2 points by Nicolo. Nick to Nick. Oh, yun eh. Nick to Nick. 3-point shot by Chris Kelsey. Oh, foul. Pushing foul. Foul, Julian. That's your third personal foul. Sub. And first team foul. Yeah, fourth quarter. Rokasi. Rebound by Nicolo. Now Nicole. Oh! Brian. 2 points by Brian. It's 58-61 in favor of Puede Ka. Crossover by Kyle. Lay down. Oh, foul by Paul. Rebound by Marco. Chris Kelsey. Oh, steal.
Let's go, Nick.
Miscommunication. Now Nicolo left-handed layup. 2 points. 63-58. Number 1. 3-point shot by the Panthers. Follow up by Marco. Kelsey. Tama.
Nah, hell no.
Ooh, start again. Now, number 1, the Punisher. To Chris Kelsey. To Brian. To Samudio. Shot by Samudio. Never rebound by number 3, Baltimore. To Pau. Pau de Leon. To Baltimore. Oh, foul. There's a foul. Number 11, Austin Morales. Okay, 2 free throws to be awarded to Mr. number 3, Nick Baltimore. First free throw is Sab. Kelsey out. Number 2 in. They need it. We'll see the second free throw. It's no good again. Rebound by Pau! Oh! Tatlo! Bago pumasok. 2 points by Pau de Leon. Okay, technical foul.
Best technical, walang personal.
No personal foul.
Technical pa, team tech, team foul. Walang personal.
Team foul.
Because he's on the court.
Where?
Going that way, run right here, and it's going to be a 6-man. My bad. No, I'm just saying, not you. Oh, we need big, man. Go get your brother then. Go get your
First free throw. Technical free throw is good by Austin. We'll see the second one. No good. 6 out of 7 for Morales. The free throw. The score is 59-65. The Punisher for three. No good. Rebound by Nicolo. Nice pass to Baltimore. 2 points. 67-59. Nice pass! Ang ganda ng setup play ni Mr. Austin Morales. 61-67. Nicolas to Baltimore. To Nicolas. To Pau. Nakalibre. Libre po. 2 points. 69-61. So Austin for 3. Long. Rebound by Nicolo. To Altamirano. Hindi. Dalawa pa. 2 points by Pau. 2 points by Pau. What? Steal? Oh, completed. Complete na po ang steal. To Nicolas. What? Pumreno. Rebound by Pau. 2 points by Pau.
Sub!
5 seconds.
Hey, sabi!
Technical.
Sub!
Sabre, sub.
Hey, shit!
Technical. Technical tuloy ako.
Kung sila naglalaro, dun ako eh. Hinintay ko pa nga sila matapos.
Yup.
Sub. Mick.
Sub. Sabre.
Go.
O steal. Now Marco. To Austin for 2. Oh, nag-alangan pa, pero tinira. Paso, 64-73. 3-point shot by Nicolas. No good rebound by the champion. Last na rebound yun. 3-point shot, no good. Okay, reset.
Let's go.
Sabre.
Play. Go.
Alright, good job, Mr. Matinda, baby ah. Padre for 3. Good job.
How many minutes?
14, 8 seconds remaining. Marco for 3. Rebound by Ancheta.
Go, Mick!
Behind the back by Altamirano. Oh.
Get open, go!
Wait, wala na. 11 eh. 3-point shot by Ancheta. Almost. Austin for 3. Long. Rebound by the Punisher. 3-point shot. 3. 67-75. 13 seconds.
Go, Mick!
8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Rebound by Lamparas. Okay, congratulations.